Hey, in this short tutorial I'll show you how to create a car listing website for free. I'm gonna use WordPress, the most popular website building platform, and HivePress, a free plugin for building any type of directory and listing websites. I will also use the Listing Hive theme, since it's a free, multi-purpose theme that has all the required features for building a car listing website, and it's fully compatible with the HivePress plugin. You can follow the link in the description to learn more about HivePress and its themes, check its live demo, or ask developers any pre-purchase questions. Okay, so let's start with the theme installation and navigate to the WordPress dashboard first. Since Listing Hive is a free theme, you can install it directly from the WordPress dashboard by going to the Appearance Themes page and then clicking Add New. Next, find it via the search bar and proceed by installing it. Finally, click on the Activate button. Once you activate the theme, you'll get a suggestion to install the HivePress plugin. Simply follow the link and then start the installation. Now, click on the return link and proceed by activating HivePress. Now, let's add some extra features to your automotive directory to extend its core functionality. Navigate to the HivePress Extensions section. This is the list of available HivePress extensions that you can purchase or install for free. For our car listing website, let's install the following extensions. Favorites, to let users keep a list of favorite car listings. Geolocation, to enable the location-based search. And Messages, to allow users to reply to listings. In order to install the extension, simply click on the Install button and activate the extension once it's installed. Then, follow the same steps for other extensions you want to install. In this video I'll skip the installation of other extensions since it's the same. Okay, now let's split your directory into categories depending on the vehicle type. For example, let's create sedans, vans, and crossovers categories. To add a new category, navigate to the Listings Categories section. Here, you can enter the category name, let it be crossovers. Here, you can turn it into a subcategory by setting a parent category for it. Fill in the description if necessary. And here you can upload the category image. When finished, click on the Add Category button. In the same way, you can add more categories like sedans and vans. There are no limits, so you can add as many categories as required for your automotive directory. Once you are done with categories, it's time to add some fields specific to car listings. You can add custom listing fields and search filters in the Listings Attributes section. Click on the Add New button. For example, let's add the Make attribute so users will be able to filter car listings by manufacturers. Here, you can set the attribute name, allow its front-end editing, and select the attribute type. We'll use the Select type for this one. Mark it as filterable, select the search field type, and finally define how the attribute appears on the listing pages. Once you are done, click on the Publish button. Now, you need to make this field required and update the attribute. Your next step is to add the attribute options. Click on the Edit Options button and add Toyota and Chevrolet options. Similarly, you can add as many options as you need. Let's also add a year attribute to allow setting a year of manufacture for each car listing. Go to the Attributes section and click Add New. Now, set the attribute name, allow its front-end editing and select the attribute type. For this one, we'll use the number field type. Mark it as filterable and sortable. Then, select the search field type. It's better to select the number range field type to allow filtering listings by the year range instead of some specific year. Finally, you can set a custom display format if required. Finally, publish it. Similarly, you can add the price attribute, but we'll skip it since it can be set up in the same way as the year attribute, just with the currency symbol in its display format. That's it! In the same way, you can add more custom attributes, depending on your car listing website niche and requirements. Alright, now it's time to add a new listing. For example, let's add the first listing to the crossovers category and do it from the front end to check how it's gonna work for users. To do this, go to your website, click on the Add Listing button and select the category. Here, you can upload the listing image, enter the listing title, let it be Toyota RAV4 in perfect condition. Set its location, then indicate the car make, set its manufacturing year, its price, and finally fill in the description. Once you are done, submit the listing. That's it! Finally, let's set up a front page for your car listing website. It's crazy easy to add and customize new layouts since HivePress is integrated with the WordPress blog editor. In order to add a new page, go to the WordPress dashboard, Pages section and click Add New. Firstly, fill in the page title. Now, let's add some layout blocks. For example, let's add the listing search form. Simply click on the plus icon and select a block you want to add. In the same way, you can add a block that displays listing categories and another one that displays recently added listings. Once you finish customizing the page content, you can publish it. To use it as a front page, navigate to the Settings Reading section and select it from the drop-down list. Then save changes. Now, let's take a look at the home page and the new layout we have just designed. Here, you can see the blocks we added and also the optional location search that we enabled by installing the geolocation extension. Let's also check the crossovers category and try searching for a listing we added. As you can see, the listing is displayed along with the make and year details, and we can also filter cars by their make, year of manufacture, and price. That's how it works. So, if you decided to create a car listing website using WordPress, keep in mind that you can easily build it with the Listing Hive theme and the HivePress plugin. They are both free, lightweight, and suitable for building any type of directory and listing websites. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, or you can follow the link in the description to learn more about HivePress, its themes and extensions. Have a great day!